see off of Falmouth.
Take a look at this. This is the water off Old Silver Beach. Our photographer William Meservey shot this footage with our new drone, Drone 4. And boy, that just tells the whole story of the temperatures right there, doesn't it?
And we've all been droning on about the temperatures for weeks. And finally today, we broke the streak. We're up above 30, almost at 40 degrees.
Yeah, Eric, this felt pretty good.
Looking to change gears a little bit. We had the coldest first week of January on record in the area. So bitter temperatures creating some unbelievable icy scenes out there. And it's also something we'll watch as we head into the end of this week and the start of the weekend. As we get those warmer temperatures, ice jams could develop in some areas and in some waterways. So that'll be another element to kind of keep track of as things break up a little bit over these next few days. I also saw the High Line canceled ferries tomorrow between Nantucket and Hyannis because of all the ice that's out there. So it's having an impact. We did get our first red square day of the month today. Temps went into the 40s in the afternoon, 30s out there right now. A lot of melting going on today. We'll see some more tomorrow. But there is some colder air swooping in tonight with clearing skies and calming winds. It'll be cold. We're looking at teens to low 20s. Anything that was melting today will freeze right up, so use some caution walking around or traveling tonight. There'll be a few icy areas and any untreated surfaces. Other than that, tomorrow looks like a really nice day. Cold morning, but very light winds tomorrow. High pressure will be in control. We'll be up into the mid-30s during the afternoon. We saw today what just being around 40 can do. It almost feels like spring now after how cold it was to start the month. So a nice day to be out and about outside. I'm looking for highs generally in the mid-30s. You may see a few pockets of upper 30s develop and some lower 30s for the highest elevations. Tomorrow, good day to kind of think about preparations for our next storm, which is going to arrive on Friday because the weather will be quiet. Clearing drains of any snow and ice, making sure they're clear so water can run off, and keeping a close eye on the ice dams that might be developing on the roof and around the gutters. Make sure the basement pump is ready to go. This is going to bring in a lot of rain, a lot of melting snow. And we're also watching the ice storm risk in New England and how far south that ice is going to come on Saturday. This is how it plays out. Tomorrow night, some light spotty freezing drizzle could develop across the interior. Just a couple of icy spots to keep tabs on. Otherwise, Thursday, we're way up into the 40s with melting snowfall. And then as we head into Friday, we get our warmest temps. This is where we jump into the 50s. There'll be some fog, more humidity in the air, and some really heavy rainfall that will move through. We're looking at 1 to 3 inches of rain, maybe up to 4 when we combine Saturday's rain on top of this, plus all the melting going on. This is why I'm thinking keep a close eye on the basements later on this week. You can see a widespread 1 to 3 and a chance for up to 4 inches of total rain, which is about a month's worth coming Friday into Saturday. And this is how I think it'll play out heading into Friday night. We start with all rain on Friday, and that extends all the way up to northern New England. So we head into Friday night, some cold air starts to dig south, and we'll change over to freezing rain and sleet across northwestern New England. And then on Saturday, the big question is, will it sink all the way down into Massachusetts, or will it stay across central and northern New England? But it is going to be a really sloppy stretch here as we head into Saturday. And we'll update where that line is expected to set up. It's just rain in Foxborough, and it looks like that rain will be ending by game time. There'll be a lot of standing water out in the parking lots as temperatures will be in the 40s and dipping into the 30s on Saturday night. Colder air is on tap for us for Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. And next week, for the most part, looks like a chilly week with brighter skies moving back into the forecast. David and Lisa, back to you.
All right, Eric, thank you. We have some breaking news.